was good.
So you guys doing?
We just stay away for taxi, you know. Taxi, we there away for. So you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, man, it's pleasure seeing you at church today.
So guys, how was the service today?
Come on, no put on this.
Nobody chat too long.
Yeah, just tell him. Alright. You know, I'm not stay too long since me have to reach home, you know, but see you guys at prayer meeting in the week on Wednesday. Good now? Okay.
How do you do, sister?
How do you do? Good afternoon.
You just look quite lovely.
Thank you. You're just fixing it just like that. You know, I was just using the bathroom.
Oh, what one? Everything up?
Me check your account and no money on your account.
No man, soon man. You know, so I wear a chance so it take a while.
Yeah, man.
My name Navlet, you know. My name Marjorie, you know.
An old name, them, yeah. You can name Miss Yvette then.
Miss Marjorie.
Alton, ready now?
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come back. Come on.
Come back a little bit. Come back. Tappy, tappy.
I can't believe the pastor really stop you and sing you. Which one?
No for your wire.
The pants one.
Put it on the next side.
Put it in the back. In the back.
You want to put it in the back?
Yo, move faster, man. I think we are on a funny man, boy.
You know what I said? Don't be funny, reaching out funny.
Never said not to put it in the back, you know. Yeah, take up the man.
Wait. Tambourine, me hear tambourine. See you step on it, Alton.
Watch your wire, here, Alton.
Watch your wire.
You can't go too far, right?
Yeah, man. Ready?
Come this one and milk me.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
no, she gave the mic.
Yeah, man, we were just saying how lovely and the red dress is just brighten up the
Yes,
church.
a red velvet
Have a
dress.
lot of flowers on it.
Only thing you need is a plate of velvet.
Just don't toss any bees.
It's not quite colorful.
If you don't mix up, you can't mix up. We're not in.
Money, my money.
You are take over.
So what she say? Make she say something and go away and then we go back to the mix up with she.
Yeah, man.
So make she say
Turn
something.
up long in the sun, better. We don't go on the sun.
Relax, no man, that work, we are
So
working.
yeah, man, don't compliment her on her dress.
I know
We
you
were
over,
just
man,
saying
we can get a little makeup. Eh?
Yeah, man, ready now?
Which part, man?
We were just saying, yes, sister. We were
step
just
back.
saying how lovely your dress is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Ready now? Action.
Sure.
Take time to talk. Come in.
Yeah.
Time talk.
That's why I come down.
Go in the back road. Shit in my shit. I don't know why Pastor he's still run that shit.
Come back here.
All I will left out and she's still there. Ready now, come now, ready, action, stay in a character, ready, action.
Ready again.
Cause all her way left out and she's still around there. Where's she away pan?
It's shit, she should like a shit she run.
Stop it, man. Stop it.
Come on, then, what? Ready?
We're not calling for this guy in a scene, in a church scene.
Well, I mean, that's my name, that's my name. Mr. Village Liar, sorry.
Mighty God, man. Mighty God of Shadrach, Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Hurry up.
Are you?
Alright, ready now, Jane. So you go watch her go down this.
And he
Watch her walk off. Watch her walk off and say, oh my God,
Half of a booty
that red
lane.
dress is just hideous. I don't know where she get it from. But anyway, it look like the taxi them around Dalton, so tell them, say, you know what? I don't live too far, I'm not going to, after you're done chat, she says she's done.
No, I won't
you know
live
what?
in melanin,
I'm going
you
to
know.
walk,
Me
you know,
short of
cause
melanin.
this is taking too long. You know, watch her go now, Alton. Go back.
Oh, God.
Alright, ready? Alright.
Wait, hold on. I'm action. Ready now? And action.
Watch here.
Then is why she walking and whining like that.
Alton, see the character.
Me say fuck it. Alton is on hot, brother.
Yeah, man, we can do that now. We can do that now. But it just listen, it's just funny and me alone.
Ready?
I saw him if he walk and go
Action,
down.
ready now, watch her walk, ready?
Then why she walking and whining like that?
That
My
red dress
God.
tired. It looks so hideous.
Me now go join you there and not this and me just coming from the house of the Lord.
That's Christ, man.
We cannot talk about the little
And
deliverance.
just say, oh, how he red dress, hideous. And just tell him,
What
you
the-
know what? I'm going to walk because I don't live too far. Right now, action.
Mighty God, that red dress looks so hideous.
You're talking about the little deliverance we get in church today, true?
Alright, anyways, I don't live too far. I go walk because them taxi I take too long, you see? I'll see you next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Prayer meeting, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But remember, you know, leave the door. Alright, me chat here when I go home, you see?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me chat here.
This place.
Well, remember, oh, come back. You don't live far, you and him live the same place, you know. So, you know what? Alton, tell him, say, you know what? Make we walk. And this thing is taking toll.
No, I am not walking. You walk, I am a fear.
They will only live same place close. So just say you walk, Alton, and then start come with you. But look what Jada go. Ready now, action.
Jesus Christ.
Almighty to the cross.
Ready now.
Then is why you're so fiery, Sister Cat.
Because you always in my business all the time and I don't care about your business. You don't even know what your wife is doing, but you're up in mine.
Whatever my wife is doing is
Thank you. How
between
much
me
for
and
it?
my wife.
What?
Whatever my wife is doing is between me and her.
200.
Pity you don't know. What you think is private, it's already in the public. How much for it?
200.
200. Okay.
You know what? I don't run joke with you now because
I don't want you to run no joke with me because I do not go to church to mind other people's business. I go to serve the Lord and change my life.
I never did a chat about the man them when they with previously. Every man will come.
You know what?
When they with the dead.
Brother Billy, hey, listen.
I'm
to
not
me.
saying nothing.
Brother Billy, lawyer.
Wait.
Action.
Hold on now. Action.
Ready. Wait up. Then hold on, this is what kind of sorcery over here go along with?
I know sorcery, you know, I have to wait up a place.
Then from man in the hotel, I say wait up, but as soon that's why I not make no money. Eh? Because out that's why wait up the place, that's why I not make no money.
And I'm making no money. I have to wait up a place because it's dusty. It's very dusty, so I have to wait. I went over here side. I went over my side.
Don't make it
And I'm
touch me.
making out with no money.
Listen, don't make your water touch me, you know.
No, but no water no touch you. Get down and go over your side. I go like you are being satisfied. You're not pray to God the morning time. What's up?
Over yourself, everything you're not doing in light, I'll come to that.
Excuse me, tell me wait. Fun. No, you're wrong. I don't know under there.
Boy, out of so dusty, man. I think God, the government, them pave the road, them couldn't even just carry some of the pavement, come over here, so. Or them left it right there, so, before them carrying some. Eh? Out of dusty, man. I'm a good them there.
Well, it's my fault, let you know. You have to talk to the government.
Listen.
That is not my fault. The only thing we can do is just get it done.
Listen, the next thing you know, the one stays to she. Think she easy.
Boy, me I tell her to blow.
You think she easy?
What you do now?
The girl, the body, no.
I can't talk about Stacy. Tell him, say, majority and goods them, as somebody who work on Chinese, thief him and sell them. That's why you can sell things them so cheap.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's why you think you pick them up.
Come on, ready now, continue.
Alright.
Ready.
The one stays to she. Between me and you know.
Yeah, man.
Is somebody a thief for goods them not gonna China gear, you know, that's why she can't sell the goods them so cheap out here.
Eh, then how you know that?
You think in high street?
Those are skirt.
Think.
That's a problem, you know.
Listen, that girl no normal, you know.
Hold on. That's why what do you mean want to come room and go? Business are people business, yeah. Ready?
Action. Listen, think in high street.
Why, bossy? First thing enough, no response for people business, you know. Buy my goods them for selling it. You know, nothing about people business.
Anyways, just no call my name, I see.
You don't talk me, but call me. If it's about you, what is fire go? Response about you. And my business may I deal with who want to keep. So me are secure.
And ready.
Boss, I'm responsible for people business, you know. So my business may I deal with. It's alright, that's I'm responsible for people who want to keep. Man, you want to think, man, you're responsible for that. My business may I deal with. So you can go on. You go and deal with my thing right there, so.
You are the next one too. Stay there and stop go for your money at the night time, you see? That same man they go and chop off your neck when I did them.
You go on, man, because you're my farmer, you know. I'm going to see it for you. Alright, good. Good. Alright, good. Candy.
Nobody call my name, you see?
Brother, I'm not responsible for you. Think I'm farmer. You are do your thing, you know, brother. You are say what yourself, I'm not responsible for you.
Water. Look in this one.
Sorry. Excuse.
You just run up and down, you don't need it for drink it cold. Drink it hot.
Excuse me. Hello. You can just calm down the night, so please just if you come about them. Just tell if it's up in eyes.
Now look at the camera here. Look for me.
Tap it out in.
You go on, you man, go and catch up with you one.
Hello. Can I see me a call your phone?
Jesus Christ, this is where you're frightened me so for candy.
You know?
Ready? Action. In front.
Walk back, little bit and come back.
Yeah, man, touch it.
Jesus.
Yes, liar. You know, see me and call your phone.
Listen to me, I don't have my phone on me.
What do you mean you don't have your phone for you?
I don't have my phone on me, man.
Look when you come to me and ask me to lend you the money.
Then it's
And me tell us to me, who?
I'm talking.
Let me go. Let me go. Me tell you say last $5,000 me have and you come borrow it from me. Me tell you say if you pay me JPS bill and I know you're not give me back.
She's crazy, people. She's crazy.
Oh, JPS man come on me yard almost cut off me light and me have to beg him. I play and I beg him like him and me man. Me want me $5,000 from you.
So it's not because JPS come to cut off like me and say if you come out and say if you come ring.
Because me take me $5,000 like you when me did pay me JPS bill with and give you. And you tell me say that give me back and I know you not carry it on. Hey, look here.
Listen.
Village liar. Don't make me have anything out here. You hear me I tell you?
Take time talk.
Don't tell me if you take no time because when I did come for me $5,000 nobody, hey, give me $5,000 before me war out here.
Candy. Listen. Not because, you know. You see if them pitney never out here. Nobody can rank with me, you know.
When they pitney them, when they talk about out here. Never did them.
So
Me want it back. Me want it back now if you pay me bill because sake of you. Me look here boy, you think me can sleep in and eat? Mosquito that kill me, me have to kiss the JPS. Look here.
So the MP man where you sleep with what have money for you from him. I promise you and I promise you for last election till now and you still promise you and I be your house rent for.
You know how you have to kiss the JPS man?
Alright, so Alton, what more you do now?
Take your phone out.
More you calm down. Calm down. Alright, Alton, more you calm her down. Here, Alton, calm her down, man.
When we talk about that to fix for you.
Calm her down and tell her, say, here what?
You don't want me, but you don't want me.
Calm her down and tell her, say, here what? You know, broke your ducks, man. No.
So we are going to talk about it.
Alright, so calm him down, man. Calm him down. So you calm him down now, tell him, say, here what? As soon as you make your money and you left your stuff, you have to check her. So don't worry, I say, I'm matter of fact. Tell her, say, I'm matter of fact. Here the light bill number. You can go pay if you are. Yeah. That's the bill number. You go pay if you are.
Ready?
Wait, hold on.
Don't look at
Alton, I'm going to no.
Yeah.
Bye.
Alright, ready, Alton?
Please, thank you. Just give me 2 minutes.
You ready, Alton? Alright, ready?
Listen. Which family is that again?
Alright, calm her down, man. Tell her about the JPS, man, and money when man promise her, and then you try calm her down and tell her, just give bill number, you will pay it, yeah. Ready?
Man, calm down, Miss Candy, man. Calm down. Because when I was coming to you, I never come to you so loud. I know you make everybody, you know them people, that's how them watch your business.
Where people them there?
The eagle of them.
Them are mind for them business, you are mind the people them business. I want my money.
Candy. So you want to leave here, so I'll ensure when I mean, broke my ducks from morning, you know.
Broke your ducks? Oi, you look here and talk about broke ducks. When me did have the last $5,000, I warn you about it and tell us I don't know how much me bill, what time them a come pay, come ask me fees to me go pay fees, and you have the take the last $5,000 from me and tell me say you give me back and you don't carry it from. What is your problem?
If me didn't know, say I saw you now, I saw you stay when me borrow nothing from you.
And I first shut up your look out. Shut up your mouth and I first time you borrow money from me. But you know say me an idiot. Every time you come borrow money from me, I same thing me go through. But you me sorry feel like a hungry belly long but boy. You better give me my money before me war out here in front of everybody. You hear me I tell you?
Drape me up, Candy, drape me up.
Then you know hard to do. You know hard to do. Hey boy, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Alright, ready? And action. Ready? Action.
Me want my money. You're going like to drape up, you had to drape up. Give me $5,000. Me have to beg the JPS man. Beg him. If you no cut off my life. Can you imagine now you're out there so they sell every day and I know you can't provide me money, give me.
But I don't make no money.
Well,
listen, look how they putting them there, so.
You don't look at for no one. You should have shame on yourself. Borrow people money and have it back to give them. And you're out there so they sell every day. You come like a war you want me for war out here.
Listen, Candy.
You see that beard, hey.
I have my lawyer, you know.
I will pull off your beard out here today. And that me then make you know. If you talk too hard, me pull off your beard. Come in and know how you grow your beard them so long, you're not, you know, go trim. Look for you. You see, anyhow, you're not giving me $5,000 by tomorrow, you're not going to like your hell and powder house because your hey boy, just, yo. Sure.
Hold on, Candy.
Alright, you ready now, let's go. Wait, man, go on like you do something, man. Do something first, man. Fix up the style a little bit. Yeah, man. Alright, me a record, ready? Ready? Yeah. Let's go. See your style over there, so we have to come and blast this style.
Ready? Yes.
Listen, You know what I know, say? Ready now?
Yeah.
Action. Candy come here to me a while ago.
And action.
Candy,
What happened to she now?
come here a while ago. I come create one piece of excitement in our place.
That's how she go on, man. He never love create excitement.
Listen, hold on. When I man I cartoon, you know.
Ready now? Ready? Continue. Ready? Action.
Listen.
Hold on. Ready?
Listen.
Yeah.
She come here.
Mm-hmm.
All because the man went there with the MP man up the front down in there. All because the man have one bag of woman. She come up here with the excitement now to go and try to stick it out for me.
That's how she go on, man. He love this style.
And me and her have nothing, you know. Nothing me and her have.
So he just comes up.
Mad, she a mad over the man. Mad over the man. And he not to know it's a nasty girl. Nasty. Not clean her yard.
Hold it.
Anyways, nobody call me name, you see?
Hold it. Alright, so let's go. As soon as
Right, familiar there again.
Yeah, man, right, but not say
Yeah. Oh. But listen, nobody call me name, you see? Just keep me name out of it.
That's good, man. Don't worry yourself. Me and your friend long time. I have to call your name.
Nobody say me say.
No. No time for that.
Then hold on. Now what kind of sauce are you out here, Galang?
I'm not sorry. Me have to wait.
let's go. Action.
Then hold on. Wait up. Then hold on. This what kind of sauce are you over here, Galang with?
And I know sorry, you know, me have to wait up a place.
Then,
So you will say dusty.
then from man in the out there, never say safe wait up, but as soon that's why me not make no money. Eh? And I out there say wait up a place, I mean that's why me not make no money.
I know me cannot make no money. Me have to wait up a place because it's dusty. It's very dusty, so me have to wait it. Me now wait over your side first thing. See over your side. Me I wait over my side.
Don't make
And
it
me
touch me.
cannot wait no money.
Listen, don't make your water touch me, you know.
Me water no touch you. Get down and go over your side. I go there, you are be a sadness for you. Now pray to God the morning time. Water.
Don't worry yourself, everything you know I do in our light I'll come to dark.
Excuse out of my way. And that's how you go.
Listen, don't make it touch me, you know.
The water not touch you. I wait over my side.
Don't worry yourself, but
I have to make it wet.
what's in the dark must come to the light.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself. It don't come out. You think I'm making ourselves. And I'm making ourselves, you know, go on with a mix up. And you up here. You stay there. You have to wait over here, so.